Hey peeps, welcome to Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today we are going to be unboxing a canvas that I have had in my stash for far too long. I just looked it up and I purchased this in January 2021, so it's definitely about time I got around to doing it. So this is from Diamond Art Club. It is a round and it is a Mandie Manzano Love at its Darkest, which is her take on Jack and Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So we'll get straight into it. It is a 51 by 76 and round. Unfortunately, this is no longer available from Diamond Art Club. However, you can still buy prints and things from Mandie Manzano's websites, etc. This it goes back to a time when Diamond Art Club did not give you stickers that were pre-cut. So yeah, they come on a single sheet and you chop them up yourself. You still get the nice big picture for your own files or for diaries and things. You get the small sticker, which gives you all the canvas information and is a perfect size for putting in a logbook. And then we get, this is the old style Diamond Art Club toolkit, which I will just whiz through because obviously if you were to order from Diamond Art Club today, this is not the kit that you would get. But more or less sort of similar items. So you'll get a pen and a squishy, which goes on the end for your comfort. You get your single placer and a skinny 4-placer. They are some of my favourite sizes to use. I really like these skinny placers. They are very good when you're just starting out using a multi-placer. It's a good size to go for. You get a handful of baggies, a couple of handfuls of bags, and the pink wax, 2 plates of, in the heart shape, as well as the small tray, small boat. So that is the older style kit. The newer style kits, they have upgraded the tray. Let me see if I've got one to show you. Yeah, so you now get this style. It's a more sort of clear resiny plastic with a bit of sparkle in. They come with a stopper as well, although I've lost the one out of this one. And you also get, if it's a square kit, you will get tweezers, which are very sharp. You need to be careful with them. Your wax now comes in a little caddy, which I don't have one to, oh yes I do have one to hand. There we go. So you'll get your heart-shaped wax will now come in a little caddy. And you will also get a cover minder and some washi, which are random. So much of a muchness. You still get everything that you need, even if you're buying a resale from somebody and you end up with an older kit. You're still going to get everything that you need. So let's look at what we're actually here for. This canvas comes in the dust bag to protect it. As you can see, I've not even opened it yet. So let's hope everything's in here. I really should have checked it when it arrived, but I didn't. So still got this lovely velvety backed canvas, and it is poured glue. Oh my word. Any of you who know Mandie Manzano's work will know that she does this beautiful sort of stained glass style artwork with these lovely bold black outlines. This is going to be so much fun to do, and it's really going to come alive as you work on it, as usual. my desk is entirely the wrong dimension to show you this very well, so I'll turn it around. So we've got Jack here, lots of opportunity for colour blocking in his big black eyes. We've got the stripes of his suit coming down and some of the patchwork of Sally's dress here in Sally's face, and her lovely red hair going across here. Oh, my ring light is getting in the way of you seeing that very clearly. But yeah, so this is going to be absolutely wonderful to work on. I'm really excited to get started. This is going to be my second entry into Drills and Chills and Diamond Painting Fanatics Spooky Flings. So I am going to work on this throughout the rest of September and then on through October until we get to Samhain. Let's have a little look at the drills. Okay, so starting off with our first big bag of ABs. These are a lovely carroty orange colour, and they've got that great AB coating, which unfortunately is hard to show on camera. For those of you who don't know, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a coating that's put on the drills, which gives the appearance similar to the Northern Lights. So it allows them to shine different colours. We've then got greys, we've got lots of darker shades, another grey, lovely 796 is such a beautiful royal blue colour, very dark brown 3371, dark navy, 939 is probably the darkest blue, often used in place of a black, so it's a good transition. We've got 3865, which is essentially white, but it's a very pale cream. And then we've got our bags of 310. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 310 in that batch. I think that's all. But actually not very many bags of 310, considering some of the other canvases that I've worked on recently. Now onto our smaller bags of colour. These are going to be the ones that add the interest with the picture. We're going to see these being used in the shading and particularly the bright colours of Sally's dress. We've got these lovely oranges and mints, green shades and turquoise, pinks, cerise, and then we've got our other AB. This is 126 on the Diamond Art Club chart. It's a very pale lilac with the AB coating, so I'll be interested to see when we look at the canvas. We'll have a look and see where that's going to be used. We've got more greens, greys, purples, another pink, lovely aqua green there, blues, different shades of orange, some pink and some yellow. And still, despite this being such a dark picture, we're not done with our colour drills. There are 50 colours altogether, 2 of which are the ABs. So here we've got sort of deep red, more blues, bright red 606. This is a sort of a very dark wine red. It's just edging into browns there. We've got 333, which is a lovely purple, more blues and more reds again. One little bag of 762 that came all on its own. We've then got the last strip of drills, which is 782 400, 300, 312, 915, 775, which is that very, very pale blue, 155 and 742, and that is it for all of our colours. Okay, so now that we know that we've got the 2 ABs, let's have a look at where they go. I've spotted in this section here, which is sort of the background behind them, this kind of swirling purple area. In the very lightest of these areas, then we have got the very pale purple AB, and I think that's going to be the case through all of the purpley patches. And then that bigger bag with the yellow ABs, most of that is going to go into the highlights in Sally's hair, and yeah, sort of edging all around these bright areas here, you can see. So there would be plenty of opportunity if you wanted to add a few more ABs in, although I don't think that's necessary. I think it's gonna come together really, really beautifully. They've obviously put a lot of thought into the charting of this. As with all Diamond Art Club canvases, I think the symbols are incredibly clear. We have got a mixture of alphanumeric and symbols. I will just show you them here. So we've got 1, 2, P, K, and then we've got, we go into the Diamond Art Club sort of symbols that most of us are quite familiar with. 310 is the black with the white dot, which is quite common. We've come to sort of expect that. And the same with the white dot for the 3865. It's incredibly clear. I don't think I'm going to have a problem with any of the symbols. My particular bugbear is for these corner arrows here, like we see with 334, but there are only 2 of those and they are incredibly different. So, oh, sorry, I've just spotted another one, 3 of them. But yeah, they're different enough in colour that I think I should be okay. One is brown, one is a pinky red colour, and then the other one is a grey. So there shouldn't be any confusion. I don't have pricing information for you, sadly, because I don't have the details about how much I paid for it, and as I said before, it is no longer available from Diamond Art Club. There are, however, many beautiful Mandie Manzano kits available on their site, so I would highly recommend that you, if you like this style, this kind of stained glass look, then do please go and check out her work. It works really well as a diamond painting and has certainly been a pleasure, the ones that I have completed beforehand. Having said that, if you are planning to purchase from Diamond Art Club and you've not purchased from them before, please do give yourself the opportunity to get $10 off your first purchase. You can do that using my code, which is on the screen now. Okay, so I am going to leave this here and start getting kit up, and I will post progress pictures as always on Instagram, and you will get a full post review as soon as I am finished. I am really looking forward to getting started with this. If you've enjoyed my content, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in my next video. Stay crafty!